Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to get the data box blueprint for the small crate. It's inside of like a little blueprint box, a little data box that you click on, and this one is located in one of the buildings surrounding the Tadpole Pens at the edge of the hot zone. So to reach this particular location and find the data box, we're going to head sort of to the east-southeast. I'm gonna go at an angle of about 120 on the compass. We're starting off at the Lifepod, which is right behind us. We're gonna go to 120 on the compass, and we're just gonna head straight into the lava zone. The place that we're aiming to go to today is going to be the area that has the big volcanic tree, and then underneath of it is going to be a current that's going to take us to the Tadpole Pens. So as we cruise inside of here, this is going to go into the hot zone immediately, where all of the air turns red. And we're looking for that gigundo tree, and it looks like it's a little bit over to 60 once you start getting into the hot zone. You want to find this massive volcanic structure here, these hot tubes that are glowing red with like magma, and then we're going to follow it to the left. And then down here in this ravine next to it is going to be a current that's going to take us to the rest of the way that we want to go. So here it is. We're going to jump into this current, and we're just going to follow it all the rest of the way down to the Tadpole Pens. And here is where we want to be, but more specifically, we want to be in this building that's kind of shoved into a ravine, and it's off to the south, off to the kind of the right side of the Tadpole Pens and kind of to the south. So inside of here is where we want to go. And the coordinates for this particular building, before we go inside of it, you can see on your screen right now, so that if you like to use coordinates to find different objects inside of Subnautica, you can find that in the lower right hand corner of the screen right now. Just pause it whenever you need to and write those down and use your navigation tool of choice to find your way over here. And the data box that we're looking for is this one right here. So once you have that, it should give you the crate, although I would recommend kind of looking around and getting some other items to scan, like there's a trash can that you can scan. There's some boxes and a little journal down here. There's also a processor if you haven't unlocked that yet, although usually you have that by the time you get down to this point. And there's also, yeah, that's actually, I think that's about it. And while you're down here, if you haven't explored the Tadpole Pens, I would definitely recommend doing so, as there's a boatload of good resources and scannable blueprints inside. Like there's a couple of immediate data boxes inside of here. There's one right here. There's one inside this room. There is the upgraded Tadpole Scout Ray chassis that you can grab. And there's also a power cell terminal, one of two that you can get up on the wall here. So take your time, look around, get all the good scanning goodies that you can find. And then as far as what we came down here for, I've been your host Larry. That should be the small crate blueprint that you want, and I will catch you next time. There's also a building over here, and that, I don't know if you remember if that has anything particularly useful in it. Doesn't look like it. There's a lab chair and a trash can, and that's about it in this particular building. Oh, and a journal's over here in the corner.